Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the Lensmaker's equation for R2. If you're curious about this equation, you can Google it. In Wikipedia, you will find everything about this equation, but we are going to focus on solving for R2. So here it goes. The method I'm going to use is called clear the fractions, which means we're going to multiply both sides by the LCM of the denominators. You can see that denominators F, R1, R2, and N. So the LCM of the denominators is F and R1, R2. Next, we're going to multiply both sides of the equation by this LCM. Next, we're going to simplify both sides. For the right-hand side, we're going to distribute this quantity to the first term inside the parentheses, and we get, well, we're going to cancel R1, R1. So what's left is Fn n minus 1 times R2. And then we're going to distribute to the second term inside the brackets. R2, R2 canceled, so we have negative Fn n minus 1 R1. Next, we're going to distribute to the third term inside the brackets. Obviously, n R1, R2 canceled. So what's left is F times n minus 1 quantity squared times d. We need to combine these two terms. So I'm going to move Fn n minus 1 R2 to the left-hand side, and we have R1 R2 minus Fn n minus 1 R2. It looks like we could factor out F times n minus 1 from the two terms left on the right-hand side. And what's left is negative n R1 plus d times n minus 1. Let's factor out R2. No, actually factor out n R2 on the left-hand side, but I'm going to write R2 first. And what's left is R1 minus F times n minus 1. The right-hand side, I'm just going to bring it down. Actually, I'm going to write d n minus 1 first. Next, I'm going to divide both sides by this quantity. And I'm going to do the same thing to the right-hand side. So the ratio of the numerator and denominator is 1. And we have R2 finally equals this quantity on the right-hand side. And we have just solved for R2 there. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. I hope to see you in my next video.